Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. I'm doing a galaxy tutorial today. Just wanted to show you guys how I actually do it with a voiceover. So I start off with a really dark deep blue or purple canvas, and then on top of that, on a new layer, I'll go in with some airbrushed lighter or darker colors just to get the general look of how I want it to be. And you'll see me referencing a photo a lot, but I'm not trying to copy it. I'm just trying to make sure that it actually looks like how it's supposed to. And right now I'm using the fingertip smudge tool to make all my colors look more textured and blend them away as well. And then on top of this one, I'll go in with a color dodge layer, add some more blues, purples, and reds to make my colors pop out a little bit more. You don't have to do this color palette, I just do it a lot I think I did it in another video actually. I just really like the way that the colors blend together. And then I will go in with some more blacks and more colors and just make my own shapes. And on another add glow layer, I will use a more textured nebula brush, which if I can find it, I will put the link in the description. It's really great for making nebulas and galaxies. I just love this brush so much. And I'll blend that one too with the fingertip smudge tool. I don't want it to look too textured just yet, so I'll blend it away. And on top of that, I think I put a texture. Yeah, I put the texture over it just to make it look more realistic and organic. I don't want it to look too soft because it just looks weird and fake. And then I'll add some more colors right now, blend those away and make them a little desaturated. I will also tie in some more blacks and, just make it look more like it's got depth to it, because you don't want it to just be a bunch of colors on top of dark, or else it just doesn't look that great. And I add some more colors and texture on top of that. I'm sorry if my voice is cracking. I've had a cold, I think, the past couple of days, and it's just not been very helpful on my voice. And anyway, on another layer, I think I will go in with the stars pretty soon. And adding the stars is actually my favorite part, because you can just add as many or as little as you want, and it still looks like space, because no one can tell you how many stars are actually in space, so you can just add however many you want. And I will add more star clusters and just like make them glow a little bit more, so you can tell that there's distance and depth in the painting. And I kind of blend them away or add a blur effect to them, so they look a little, some look sharper, some look far away. And on top of that, I will add some more colors as well, because I like the purple and the blues and the reds, but I don't want it to be too abstract with the coloring, so I will go in also with some color gradients and just tie all the colors together. And right now I'm using the fingertip tool again to smudge some more of the nebula effects. It's a really great brush for that kind of effect. I go in with another texture here just to add some more depth to it. And then I think I will go in and just adjust the colors, make sure all my levels are how I want them to be, and I will turn down the saturation every now and then to make sure I actually have all my tones and highlights where I want them. And right now I'm just going in with another textured brush and adding some more highlights, and then I add some more colors right now just to make sure everything ties together a little easier. And that's basically about it for this. It's really fun to make your own galaxies. I suggest everyone does it every now and then, because you can just literally do whatever you want, and to an extent it'll look like a galaxy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful in some way, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.